Morning, people. So, you know when you're trying to buy a part, and the parts bloke is not listening to a word you've just said. So I've got this Peugeot here, 2 litre diesel, intake air temperature sensor is what I asked for, because it just reads minus 40 degrees, which it's not. I can assure you I wouldn't be in a t-shirt if it was minus 40 degrees. This is what they sent me. Okay, well that is an intake air temperature sensor, but I need the manifold intake air temperature sensor. Man tells me that's the only sensor listed for it. I said to him, mate, the sensor, I said, the boost pressure sensor has the intake air temperature sensor built into it. 3 times I told him that. In the end, I had to give him the part number, and then he goes, "Oh, boost pressure sensor," and sounded confused at me. And I went, "Yes, it's got the air intake temperature sensor built into it. It is 2 sensors in one. Hence the little sensor sticking out the end there for the temperature, and the 4 pins instead of 3. Be honest, it's almost annoying. So I've just wasted an hour of my morning. If you happen to have a problem with one of these, just so you are aware, lives there with the Allen bolt. Now, you can, I can't show you the screen because of copyright, but I will tell you that it is pin 1 and 3 inside that connector that you require to test the sensor. And then you need to, so your range should be around between 44100 ohms and, excuse me, there's an ant flying around in front of the screen and it's really annoying. That's like minus 10 degrees, and then you should be getting, say, 40 degrees, 5800 ohms of resistance. So the resistance value should go down as the temperature goes up. When they give you that temperature range all the way up to 140 degrees, which is 370 ohms. So if you're getting around, so if you've all of a sudden got like 370 ohms or below that, then it's saying it's way too hot. Obviously, if it changes temperature and everything, this one is just dead. It's not doing anything, but I did wipe a lot of, in fact you can still see it, that where it's melted. It's like the exhaust gases have come in, and there was a lot of carbon on it, so I think it's burnt the element out. So we shall now wait for another one that hopefully is the correct one. But yeah, so don't get caught out by that. Parts people, especially when they employ loads of new staff all at once, put them all in a room together, and then they don't know. Mildly aggravating. But yeah, so you've also got your wires there, obviously. So you've got power and ground, because they're just resistance circuits on both of them. So you've got 4 wires. Obviously you've got power on 1 or 3, and the other one will be the signal wire to the computer. If you want to, you can get a decade box and check that, or even a test light and see if the resistance changes. Like I say, I've already tested the sensor. I know the sensor's dead, so that's kind of where the diagnostics stop. Good luck with your parts, people. Thanks for watching.